placebo, nocebo, and belief. When you are taking some medication, or if you're taking some medication and you wanted to boost the effect of that medication, you could strengthen your belief in what that medication is going to do for you. You know, this is one thing that doctors do regularly, because this is how placebos are tested. You know, they have a control group, and then they will give everybody the medication, and most times the doctor doesn't know which medication they're giving out, or if it's the sugar pill, right, the placebo. But because the doctor gave it to the person and said, here's a pill, this is what's going to do it for you, and the person has the belief, okay, the doctor said that, this is the pill, I'm going to take it, then that effect inside of the person's mind actually makes that medication work better. So here's how you can actually use this in your personal life. If you are going through something that requires medication and you want that medication to work better, like you know, a strong placebo, then you can just spend a little time thinking about what the benefits of that medication are for you, all the things that it's going to do, and just strengthen your belief in that medication. Now let's take that in sort of the opposite direction. And when, let's say, the doctor gives you the same pill and you're like, I don't know, I don't think this is the right thing. Even if that pill actually has the medication and the chemicals and all the stuff that's supposed to create that change up here, if your belief is not right, if you believe, you know what, this is not the right pill, this pill is not going to do it for me, you could take that pill, and even with all the chemicals, you could reduce the effect of the chemicals inside of your body with your change in belief. Does that make sense? So belief is really kind of the most important thing to have when you are taking any medication or going through any sort of medical issues like that, because mind and body are connected, right? And what we think about is what's going to represent in our body. So if we expect that this medication is going to work absolutely great and we take it, then our unconscious system is kind of in line with that and is going, okay, well, you know, we believe in this medication and this medication is going to be right for us, right? Nocebo effect being the opposite way, you get the same medication, you don't have the belief, so you take away some of the power of that medication just by thinking, you know, this is not going to work, this is not going to work. Then your unconscious goes, oh, well, never mind, this is not the thing that we're supposed to be taking. Okay, so just kind of watch your thoughts around medication and understand that placebo and nocebo are both a thing, and you can actually use that for yourself to strengthen and boost the effects of any medication that you are taking or have to take. So,
hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.